Design elements and principles of design in photography. Composition is a really important piece of photography. Once the basic operation of the camera is learned, maybe not quite mastered, we need to direct our attention to seeing and composing effective images that makes great photography. So when we talk about effective images, it's those that command attention and communication of some type of a feeling to your viewer or your audience. And that audience reaction really depends on their past experiences, what their interests are, and what specifically they are looking for. So to understand the way that your audience is going to respond, you have to understand, you have to learn that vocabulary of design. Viewing examples is really important. Being able to understand and utilize effective design elements. And then, of course, you as the photographer being able to implement those components of design into the process of photography. So we're going to look at the elements of art. We're going to look at the principles of design. And those are some really basic building blocks. So the elements are breaking things down to the bare minimum. It's like the ingredients. And the principles are how we take those elements and combine them, how those elements are brought together in the composition. We're also going to look at the composition as a whole, utilizing those elements and the principles, but looking at how then that creates that arrangement and relationship. And also we need to talk about the Gestalt theory, looking at the whole rather than the little parts. So let's start our discussion with the elements.